The sixpence coin, also known as the sixpence or tanner, was a denomination of coinage used in the United Kingdom prior to decimalization in 1971. The 1955 sixpence holds both numismatic and historical significance, reflecting a time of economic stability and cultural change in post-war Britain. In 1955, the sixpence was still in circulation as a commonly used coin, though its purchasing power had diminished compared to earlier periods due to inflation. It was minted in cupronickel, a combination of copper and nickel, which gave it a distinctive appearance and durability. The value of a 1955 sixpence today can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally, circulated examples may be worth a few dollars, while those in pristine condition or with unique characteristics could fetch higher prices at auctions or from specialized dealers. The history of the sixpence stretches back centuries, with its origins dating to medieval England. Originally made of silver, it was a significant denomination in the British monetary system, often used for various transactions ranging from everyday purchases to ceremonial gifts. By the mid-20th century, the sixpence had become a beloved coin ingrained in British culture. It was a customary gift given to children as a token of good luck or as a reward for completing chores or tasks. Additionally, it had symbolic importance in traditions such as weddings, where it was included in the bride's shoe for luck. The year 1955 marked a period of transition for Britain. The country was recovering from the devastation of World War II and experiencing the beginnings of social and economic changes that would define the post-war era. In this context, the sixpence served as a tangible symbol of stability and tradition amidst a rapidly evolving society. From a numismatic perspective, the 1955 sixpence is part of a broader history of British coinage, reflecting the craftsmanship and design aesthetics of its time. The obverse typically features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, who ascended to the throne in 1952 and remained a fixture on British coins for decades to come. The reverse often includes a depiction of a heraldic symbol or national emblem, showcasing the artistic heritage of the United Kingdom. For collectors, acquiring a 1955 sixpence offers not only a tangible connection to British history but also an opportunity to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of the coin. Whether as part of a larger collection or as a standalone piece, it serves as a reminder of a bygone era and the enduring legacy of British coinage. In conclusion, the 1955 sixpence holds both monetary value and historical significance as a relic of post-war Britain. Its design, craftsmanship, and cultural associations make it a cherished item among collectors and enthusiasts, reflecting a time of change and continuity in the nation's history.